Alright, congratulations guys, Dylan DeFazio here again, and welcome to the second step where I'm going to show you how to copy this funnel, okay? Now, I'm going to keep this video super short, super simple. If you guys want to learn more about the compensation plan of Power Lead System, you can go ahead, just search it up on YouTube. Power Lead System has been around for a while, and there's tons and tons of videos on there, but I want to show you how simple it is to copy this system. So the first thing that you need to do is simply click this button below. You're going to get sent over to this page, okay? So you're going to get a 7-day free trial, so you can set all this up right now. If you don't like it in 7 days or whatever, you can cancel it. It's completely fine. They'll send you a refund. But anyways, the system itself, okay? The system itself, you want to get the gold membership, which is $53 per month. Now, this is cheaper than any other landing page builder out there that I've seen. You know, ClickFunnels at $97, Builderall, you know, I think it's around $50 or so. So it's on par with some of the other, you know, landing pages out there. The only difference is with the Power Lead System, with this simple code, not only can I give you my entire sales funnel, but if we just go into here, I can actually give you my email campaigns, okay? So I'm actually in the process, let me just go back here. So I'm in the process of sending over my emails from my Aweber account. I have 14 emails that I'm going to be loading in. Now, I'm just going to show you guys here. So this automatically sends it out. You don't even need an autoresponder. But as you guys see here, this sends out automatically. This is, you know, there's tons and tons of email campaigns in here. The one we're going to be focusing on is SMS phone leads, okay? Right now, there's only one message. Like I said, by the time you get access to the system, there'll be 14 messages in there, allowing you to maximize your earning potential from this sales funnel, okay? So once you've set up your account, we're going to go to this main page. Now, if you haven't become an affiliate, what you want to do is you want to make sure you add a domain, okay? So step number one, right, we're going to want to get a domain. Very, very simple. You can buy a domain from Power Lead System, or you can transfer one over, right? All you got to do is type in your name. I recommend using, you know, success with Dylan, you know, something like that, or you know, automated income, or something that is easy to remember and easy to type out. Okay, I want you to make very certain that it's easy. And you know, I recommend, if you've never had a domain, use your first and last name, make it super simple. Okay, so once you have your domain set up, that's a very step forward process, and you want to make sure that at least these 4 buttons are set up. Okay, the Social Profit Academy is the $500 level, and the Master Traffic Institute is the $1,400 level. As you guys see here, I don't even have them yet. I will be upgrading very soon, but they are not necessary. Neither is the free ad secrets. It's not necessary for you to set up this funnel. They're just extra earning opportunities that are 100% automated inside of the Power Lead System. So yes, you could potentially earn $1,000 if somebody went all in, okay? And it does happen, so you know, I recommend getting whatever you can upgrade to at this point in time. All right, as you guys grow, you can upgrade, you know, whenever you want. You just click the red button and make it green. So you want to make sure that you are an affiliate though, because you do want to be earning those $20 commissions when people go through your funnel and set everything up. All right, so what's going to happen is, in step number 1, right, we're going to be earning those instant $20 commissions from the SMS software, and then the Power Lead System again is going to be paying us $20 per month from all gold members, which, you know, if you're getting started with this funnel, you should be getting the gold membership. All right, so now that you kind of understand exactly what's going on, let's quickly go through and set up this funnel. It will take you less than 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So what you want to do is you want to open up your SMS phone leads. So let's just go here. Okay, so we're going to open up our SMS phone leads, right? And we have our affiliate link here. You want to go into your Power Lead System back office and you want to click on companies you promote. Alright, so as you guys see here, SMS phone leads is already on my link tree. So what you want to do is you just want to scroll down to this little box here and then just type in S and then continue scrolling until you find SMS phone leads. Alright, so we're going to scroll down. So you're going to highlight SMS phone leads and then you're going to click on click here to save. Okay, so for me, I've already done it, right? So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the page that you're going to get. So you're going to land on a page that looks like this, right? And what you're going to want to do is just simply come over here, right click this link and copy the link address. And then you want to go back over to your Power Lead System and you just want to paste in that link, okay? So you want to make sure that, you know, the smsphoneleads.com/your username, and then you're going to click on here to save. Okay, so now your system is pretty much set up. All we have to do is plug in the share code, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go under websites and you want to go under my sharing codes. Alright, so as you guys see here, you know, I have a couple different sharing codes. Yours should be empty if you don't have anything. What you're going to be copying is, let me just go under this video. You want to grab the 6 and all the way to the S, right? You want to highlight that all, copy it, go back to your share codes, and then you're going to simply paste in that code. Alright, you're going to paste in that code and then you're going to click on submit. Now the system is automatically going to load in all the emails. It's going to load in the landing page, the sales page, everything that you need instantly. You don't have to worry about nothing, okay? Now what you need to do is you need to link your domain to the sales funnel. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go back under websites and then you want to go under websites again. Alright, so for me, I set up a subdomain, right? Very easy to set up subdomains. All you have to do is just go here and you can just click on manage subdomains and you can easily create one. So you can simply use the same domain name multiple times, okay? So what I want to do is I want to set up this link right here to my sales funnel. So for me, because I created the system, it's going to be at the bottom, but for you guys it's going to be near the top. But what you're looking for is you're looking for SMS phone leads dash landing page, right? And then you'll see my name here, okay? So in order to set the system up properly, you want to make sure that this is the one that you choose, okay? So if I just click on this little custom page right here, right, and we click on this link, it's going to bring us to that landing page that I set up, right? These landing pages are set to convert very, very high, so you can go ahead and do that. And I might even be adding more landing pages to this. So if you see, you know, landing page 2 or landing page 3, just give it a click and see. You know, feel free to use whichever one that you want. But for this example, we're going to be using the main landing page. So once you have this selected, all you have to do is click on Save My Choice, and then you're going to have your domain set up, okay? You'll get sent over to your autoresponder campaign reports. If you have an Aweber account, you can link it. If you have a GetResponse account, you can link it. Just simply click that button. And if you want to have them both linked, just make sure you click your Aweber or GetResponse first, and then just go back and click this button. It'll highlight all of them together. But you want to make sure that you have SMS phone leads team emails. Like I said, this says 1 right now, but it will say 14 once you set this system up, okay? I'm still loading the emails in, but I wanted to get this video filmed and ready for you guys so that you guys can start using the system, okay? So make sure you click all those, and then you can simply click on submit. I'm going to remove my Aweber list because it's not done yet. And then your setup is complete, okay? So now what I want you to do is I want you to copy this link, right? Copy that link address, grab a notepad, right? Paste it in there. That is going to be your main funnel link, okay? So what's going to happen, we're going to copy this, or here, I'll just open it up. So it's going to open up our landing page, right? I've already entered in my email, so I'm just going to skip the survey. So we'll skip the survey, and boom. So they're going to land on your sales page, right? If somebody clicks this button right here, they're going to get sent over to the SMS phone leads. But what you want to do is you want to make sure up at the top it says your affiliate link. Okay, so this will say your affiliate link. And then same thing for this, right? When we click on Get My System, what you want to do is it's going to have a code here. Okay, so I think it is this code here, the 612791. It's going to be your affiliate code, so you want to make sure that your affiliate code is up in the top corner. But everything, the Power Lead System button is automatically integrated into the system. So this, you don't have to change anything. You don't have to do anything to the pages. All you have to do is follow the steps that I went over in this video. Follow them exactly, or you will break the internet. Okay, if you don't follow the steps that I went over in this video, something will not work, and I don't want to have you guys messaging me saying, hey, you know, my system's not working. Go ahead, rewatch the video, see where you messed up, learn from your mistakes, and then fix them. Okay, we are entrepreneurs. We should be, you know, we are focused on helping people solve their problems, right? I set the system up to help you guys automate your business so that you guys can start making some money. Okay, so go ahead, set the system up. Once you've done so, I might be adding below this video, I might be adding a Facebook training. So a Facebook training just going over how you can start generating some more free leads using your Facebook profile. So it's not in this, it's not on this page right now, but I will be adding one just to help you guys get even more leads and make even more money. All right, so thank you for watching. Dylan DeFazio here. Make sure, head over to Facebook and shoot me a message. You know, let me know, hey Dylan, I set up the SMS phone lead system. Let me know what you think of the training. If there's anything that I missed, you know, shoot me a message. I love to hear from you guys, and I look forward to having you guys on my team, and I look forward to hearing your guys' success stories. All right, so go ahead, set that system up, and I'll see you guys